You could have the most revolutionary product along with an absolutely fire custom built website, but if you don't know how to get people to that website, as sad as it is, you're simply not going to make any money. And that's why marketing is one of the most important aspects of any business, whether that be online or even a physical store. So in this video, I'm going to be covering exactly how to start driving traffic to your Shopify store so you're one step closer to generating some serious bread. And since you guys liked my step-by-step walkthrough video of how to create a high converting website so much, I thought it would only be useful if I make a video of how to start driving traffic to that beautiful store all you guys made. Also in this video, I'm going to be giving away a completely free custom built dropshipping store made by my team. Now there's only 3 simple steps you guys got to do to be entered into the giveaway. First off, you got to like the video. Very simple. Doesn't take too long. 2, you got to be subscribed. And lastly, comment below anything of insights or any e-commerce related questions you have. I'll be announcing the winner of the giveaway in the next video I post. So without further ado, let's hop right into this video and get you guys going. Okay, so there are 2 forms of marketing that serve to be very effective when trying to get potential customers to visit your website. I'm going to be covering organic marketing along with running paid traffic with Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. These are going to be super in-depth tutorials compiled into one video, so let's waste no time and get right into talking organic marketing and what exactly that entails. So organic marketing is completely free, and essentially what it is posting videos on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube, but specifically using segments of each platform that allow your videos to be reached by a bunch of people. And that's by using Instagram Reels, TikTok feed, and YouTube Shorts. Posting onto these platforms gives you the possibility to go viral and in turn gain a ton of website traffic that hopefully converts to revenue. So what we're gonna do is hop right into my computer and analyze some of the do's and don'ts to get you guys one step closer to going viral. Now, always when I'm looking to run any new product, I'm trying to find a reference store, someone that's actively running a successful brand in terms of their marketing, UGC, and just even the way that the brand looks visually. All right, so remember, we are looking for a reference store. And so if anytime I'm looking for a reference store, what I like to do is type in the product name. Let's just go in with this example, gel blasters. I'm trying to find someone that has been doing well for a decent amount of time and is posting consistent user-generated content, running a brand with a nice website. So I'm gonna go to accounts and just look at all these accounts. This one right here, 236,000 followers, 2.3 million likes, and look at how much user-generated content they are posting. They're doing looks like a collaboration with David Dobrik. Whoa, that's loud. Collaboration with David Dobrik. Bro, just order one today. This looks like a pretty good TikTok page. Okay, let's look at the amount of views. Lots of views. And these must be the pellets, right? You place them in there and then they turn into gel balls. Nice. Okay. That's showcasing one of the products that they're selling. It's cool because it's a reusable product, or it's not a reusable product, right? This is a product that you need to continue to buy if you want to use this product. Very smart on their end. So let's go ahead and check out this website. Okay, to take you here, it's kind of like a link tree. And then we're going to go to gelblaster.com. Damn, yeah, this website's crazy. They're on Amazon, Target, Walmart, Bass Pro Shops. Yeah, so this is a very legitimate brand. Looks like a dropship product that turned into a real brand. So this is super cool. The user interface is crazy. Look at that. This is super nice. Okay, now we found a store. We found a store to work off of, right? And it's okay to find as many reference stores as you want. So you can go ahead and type in Gel Blaster here. Go to accounts, find as many reference stores as you can right here, Gel Blaster Pro, and base it from there. So if you guys liked some of what this guy did, and then you liked some of what this other account did, so you can take pieces from each reference store and put your own twist on it. So what we want to do here, right, is kind of compile all the viral videos for this specific product, but we're gonna focus on this specific page, right? So if we notice that, okay, let's try and find all the viral videos. So viral video right here. What I like to do, save this. All right, copy this right here, go onto the content database, and I like to just store up all of their viral videos. All right, so go here, boom, save that, go back. All right, next one, that was over 200K. I'd say anything over 150K is a pretty good video that you can go ahead and use as a reference right here. Save this. Boom. All right, next one, 1 million. Save this. And it looks like they're already preparing for the new year, but they've already done a lot of Christmas stuff. They're already preparing for Christmas stuff 11:30. Wow. Okay, that one, this one. Save it. I'll just put 5 for now, but generally you want to find as many viral videos as you can from this company. The more the better. So what I like to do here is add all these viral videos, compile these viral videos, and so when you're ready to go in and create content for your specific TikTok account, you can use these videos right here as reference, right? So you go here, save this video, and then from there, get an idea of the way in which they push the video. This one probably went viral because it's David Dobrik and he's famous, but let's try and find out why this video right here went viral.
Our hoppers make for great target practice. Come on.
Yeah, it's a pretty cool video. It's very short, right? Very short video, and he's showcasing the product and the utility of the product. You can see that at the very last second, right? They hooked you in all the way to the last second, and there's at 9 seconds is when they start shooting, right? So he's building you up all the way to this 9 seconds and only has 2 seconds of what he was trying to showcase. So then you go and watch the video again, and what that does is that fuels the algorithm. So what you can do is take note of that. 11-second video. So when you're ready to start filming your own videos, you can go in and, okay, I'm gonna recreate this video. You can have a friend do it, you can do it, you can have a friend film you, and basically just do exactly what this guy did. The idea is to go in, analyze why this video did well, and then try and recreate it with your own little twist. Or you can go in and do it exactly how it is right here. Like I said, you can do this with this account and try and mimic the content that they push here, or you can go in and do it with this account. Why did these videos go viral? Why did certain videos go viral? And try and replicate from there. And if you can see here, this company, they have a degree of professionalism, right? With this ad right here.
Gel Blaster.
Right, very professional video. It did really well, but at the same time, they went in and added a bit of comedy, right? So let's try and watch this video. When you blast your friend without warning. So they're adding some comedy here. They've got another kid that was running the page for a bit, and they had this guy that was running the page for a bit. So it's always important to go in and test out different forms of content. You can go in with the comedic approach. You can go in with the professionalism right here with a very nice ad. Here it's UGC based. This is just filmed with an iPhone. And then you can go in and try to do something controversial just to get the views. And then when you get those views, you can get people to watch your other videos. So here he used celebrity. Bit of comedy and added the celebrity. So one thing that you cannot forget to do is to branch out to other avenues and other platforms, right? Where it's not only going to be TikTok. So whatever you are posting on to TikTok, you then go ahead and repurpose on to Instagram Reels and YouTube Shorts. You can create fan accounts for your Instagram or your YouTube if you don't want to add so much cluster onto your already existing page. TikTok is fine because this is the platform to do so. Instagram Reels, you can hide that from your normal feed, but it's up to you. I still think it's very important to always push as much avenues as you can. So what we would do is say, okay, here is the David Dobrik video. You're gonna go here, copy it. So simple, very simple process. Take you less than 5 minutes. Go to this website, sstik.io. Simply paste this link, download it, and then we're gonna scroll down without the watermark. What this is doing is this is removing the watermark for us. And the reason why we don't want a watermark in our videos is because what happens is that when we have the watermark, Instagram tends to flag those videos and they don't really like to see the TikTok watermark, right? They're competing with TikTok, so there's a reason why they're doing that. So that's what I noticed. When I had the TikTok watermark on to videos, they would underperform the ones that didn't have it. All right, so we go here. Here is the video. Boom. Yeah, pretty nice. Exact same video. It doesn't have that watermark and it's still in high quality. So all you would need to do is save it here, go onto Instagram, post it onto Reels, go onto YouTube Shorts, post it onto YouTube Shorts, and see if that video does in fact go viral. Very, very simple process, but instead of one chance at going viral, now you have 2 more chances at going viral. And so the idea is to go viral so that you can eventually go to paid. And I said this in other videos, but the reason why it's a bit harder to go in with paid if you don't have that initial push, that initial set of data, then you're competing with people that already have a ton of data. So with an organic video that might go viral, then you've already got a decent amount of people onto your website. You've gotten data collected, and Facebook knows who bought and who didn't buy, and they'll go ahead and try and find people that are very similar to the ones that did in fact purchase. And so the reason why I like to go this route is because instead of going in paid and then having to compete with all these people that have crazy amounts of data, let's say you get a viral video like this. So you get this viral video, and this viral video, because you have your link in bio right here, people have went in and purchased. Maybe you got 100 purchases. All those 100 purchases were tracked if you have your TikTok pixel properly integrated. And from there, you're able to track all those people to then be able to effectively run on Facebook. Because if you don't have initial data on Facebook, it's going to be tough for Facebook to find out who they need to be targeting to get that cost per purchase lower. And if that cost per purchase is very high, from the beginning, you're going to be losing money. All right, well, that's pretty much all I wanted to cover for the organic marketing. Let's move on to paid ads for cold targeting along with retargeting. While free traffic sources are super nice, sometimes it's also necessary that you invest in paid advertising to drive traffic to your store on a consistent basis. I'm going to brief over quickly what exactly is paid traffic and why it's such an important aspect in any business. So paid traffic for cold audiences has to do with creating campaigns and targeting a very specific group of people that are going to have the highest likelihood of purchasing your product. And cold just basically means people that don't really know of your brand, while hot, which I'm going to get into right after this, is people that already know of your brand or have seen your ad or even visited your website. What we're going to do right now is create a test campaign targeting cold audiences. So remember, these are the people that don't already know of your brand, but will be precisely targeting a group of people that are going to have the highest likelihood of buying from you based off of interest, demographic, location, etc. Once again, let's hop right into this computer and do that right now. All right, so now we're going to go in and create a Facebook ad, a basic Facebook ad that is going to be cold targeting a group of people that are going to have the highest interest to buy your product with this example product. This is the example store that I created last time, and it is for this Samurai umbrella store, or Samurai umbrella product rather. Let's try and find the exact product. If you guys don't know what this is, it's a Samurai umbrella that looks like a samurai sword, right? So we're hitting a very passionate group of people, a lot of guys that are into this kind of stuff. This could be the anime niche, this could be the Japanese type of niche, I don't know, but we're about to find out. First things first, gotta go to Facebook. So Facebook right here. Now to create your campaign, as long as your pixel, all that stuff is set up, you got your ad accounts, you've created your business manager, business settings, payment settings, everything is all good. You're gonna hit this green button, this magical green button right here, which is a create button. And what we're going to be doing is creating this campaign for sales because we want to get sales. That's the goal. Continue. Now you can go Advantage Plus shopping campaigns, but I always like to do old school. So we're going to be going with the manual sales campaign. Continue. Then we can just name this campaign int because we're going to go ahead and target interests. I'm going to be doing 3 ads and then 3 creatives and then video. All right. So this really doesn't matter. It just helps you signify exactly what you're doing. And this is for me, and it's going to be for you. I'm going to set this one at $100 budget, $1,000 budget. You can go, I'd say you can go anywhere from $25 to anywhere from $25. If you want to expedite the process, you can do $500 a day budget. I don't recommend it. I would say go no more than $100, right? If you want to go in the middle, maybe go $50. So go $100, set this one up, a daily budget. So what this means is that you're going to be spending $100 every single day until you turn off this campaign. And what this is, advanced campaign budget, is we're going to have 3 ad sets, and Facebook is going to go ahead and put the budget in each ad set, depending on which one is performing well. And you're going to understand a bit more once I proceed. So we're going to go next. Now this one is going to be our first ad set. Now we're not going to name it yet because we don't know exactly what we're targeting. You want to have this selected as website. And then for the conversion event, you're going to want the conversion event to be purchase. We want to optimize for purchases. I haven't set up this ad account. Keep in mind that yours shouldn't be red, right? It should be green if you already had some traction onto your website. If you haven't had a purchase, then you're probably not going to have this being green. But we can check right here when we're looking for purchase, right? We're optimizing for this conversion event to be purchases. We want purchases. Okay, and then you can go ahead and set up the conversions right here. If you haven't already done so, don't need to click this. Scroll down. This is all good. Create a new audience. We'll be doing this later in this video. As of now, you do not need to touch this. So audiences and locations, this is where you need to do your own research and figure out who you can actually ship to and who you would want to ship to. Always keep that in mind because that is going to be a contingency. Okay, so if you notice that for your specific product or your specific niche, a lot of the people that like the product that you want to sell are in Germany, then maybe try and focus on the German market. If it's mainly in the US and Canada, then focus over here. I normally do is I like to go a bit broad. So you can either do epacket or you can go in with US. And I'm going to show you guys how to do epacket really quick just so you get a bit of an idea. But for the most part, I like to target either the big four or US and Canada only. But I'm going to show you guys how to add the epacket countries in here just so it makes it a bit easier for you guys. So let's go here. We're going to go onto the search and type in epacket countries. Epacket countries list. We're going to go here and go to Shopify. And then we're going to scroll down. And then we're just going to go ahead and select all these. Bam, select it. And then we're going to go back to Facebook. Okay. And then we're going to go hit browse. We're going to go to save locations and create a list. And then we're going to go countries. Now this is where we just go and copy and paste. Now here is where I try to exclude the countries I don't think will purchase based off of like GDP. So you can go and, like I said, do your own research. But in my experience, for the most part, don't get too many orders from Vietnam. Don't get too many from Turkey or Ukraine. Don't like to ship over to Saudi Arabia, no Russia right now for political reasons. All right, so yeah, you can go ahead and look here. And then for some reason, I was getting a lot of chargebacks in Mexico, so I stopped targeting Mexico. You don't have to do exactly what I did. You can do what you want, but I'm just showing you how to import the location. So we're gonna go match these locations. One location couldn't be added. Which one couldn't be added? Great Britain. Okay, that's fine. I think they added the UK. So that's all good. Just make sure that the UK is in there. Add locations, and we can name this epacket. Okay, here is the countries that we want to be targeting. So now we got the countries. We're going to figure out the age. For age, this is dependent on your product and your niche and the people you are looking to target. So if you notice that your product is primarily geared towards people that are older than 30 years old, then don't sell to people or don't target to people that are younger than 30. I always like to go pretty broad, right? From the get-go, I always do like to go broad. So I'll leave this open. You don't have to do this, but I do like to leave it open. If you don't want to target 18-year-olds, generally 20 under don't tend to buy so much, right? Because most people under the age of 20 don't have jobs. So I like to go 21 plus. And then I like to keep it at all genders unless I'm selling a product that is very, very geared towards a specific gender. Regardless, even if you're selling a product that might be like makeup, you can still target men because men might want to buy things for their girlfriends and vice versa. So we'll go ahead and keep that open. Now for the product that I was showing, if we look here, right, it's this samurai sword. So what I'm going to do is first thing that comes to mind, right? Samurai. This is what I'm going to put in the potential interest. So let's see what comes up. Samurai Jack, that's a good one. Right, okay, Samurai Jack. I got an idea now. For this ad set, what this ad set I'm going to do, I'm going to be doing TV/movie interest. Like I said, we're going to have 3 ad sets, TV and movie interest. So I'm going to go here and onto Google and just find what are the most famous TV, movie, samurai episodes and shows and whatnot. Samurai movies. 13s. Okay. Wolverine. Okay. That's not helping me too much. So I'm just going to use suggestions, which is really good here. So we're going to go samurai. This is a really good movie though. So I'll do this and then I'm going to go for suggestions. Right. So let's see what other suggestions. Okay. Okay. Let me just do samurai again. We do Samurai Jack and then see if it refines down to TV shows. Yeah, it does. Simpsons. No. Japanese art. Tokyo. Samurai. Let's see. Afro Samurai. Samurai. Video game. Okay, there. Samurai 7, I think, was a movie that we saw here, right? Was it? No, it's 13. Okay, but regardless, let's try and find another one. Samurai Showdown. Never heard of this one. Okay, so I'm going to add either 3 to 5 of these interests that are similar, right? So these are all TV shows or movies. Now I'm going to keep that at the top, TV movie interest. And then I'm going to go and keep this at Advantage Plus. You could say, oh, I'm going to only target people manually. And that would be, say I'm only going to do Instagram. No Messenger, no Audience Network, no Facebook. I like to keep it pretty broad. I like to let Facebook do their thing with the algorithm. So I'm going to keep it at Advantage Plus. We're going to go next. And then so the next thing to do is make sure that you have your selected Facebook page linked. So you can select it here. And then same thing for your Instagram. Make sure that your Instagram is connected to your Facebook page so that you can go ahead and select it here. Here is going to be video ad 1. Okay. So video ad 1. And then we're going to do this as a single image or video. So this one, in this case, is going to be a video. The reason why I like to test organically, which I'm going to show you right now, is for this exact reason. So what we can do, I'm just going to make up this hypothetical scenario. I did not post any videos for this specific product, but we're going to just, use what we have. Okay, I'm going to go Samurai Umbrella. And this is hypothetically, guys. Listen, hypothetically, if this was your guys' brand right here, I'm going to use this one for example. If this was your guys' brand, then you can use these videos. Otherwise, if you're running paid ads, do not use someone else's videos. Make sure to keep this in mind. So this is why we'd want to have one of these, right? We would want to have this database with all your viral videos and then all of the competitor viral videos. So you can do viral videos right here. Competitor. And then same thing, you can have your own viral videos. Viral videos me. And then so you can list all of your own viral videos, etc. And then from here, I'm going to go and find all these viral videos. And because this video right here went viral organically, then that means that it's a pretty damn good ad. And so the same thing that I do with my brand, any video that organically goes viral on either Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, or TikTok is then repurposed for Facebook ads. All right, so we're going to copy here, do the same process real quick. Paste, download without the watermark, close, and then we're going to push it over here. Bam. What we're going to do is we're going to upload it. Okay, so we're going to add the video, add media, video. Upload it just like so. So we're going to upload it like this. This is where we can put our text. All right, so what did this guy put? So cool. Here we can go something along the lines of, do like the all-in-one samurai umbrella. And you can list the key features. Lightweight. Kind of clean this up a bit. Add these checks. That instead. So yeah, you can do it like this. And then here we can put limited stock. 4.89 star rated. And then if you're doing free shipping, you can go free shipping. Okay, so you can play around with it. Do it as you please. And then we're going to go ahead and add shop now because we want people to shop now. So what it's going to look like on Facebook, but for the most part, it's going to be on to Instagram. I got to add my website URL. So if this was my website, I'm going to go to the product page right here, take them directly to the product page. Generally don't want to take them to the home page. Once you have that all good, it should be good and dandy for video ad number 1. And then we're going to do 2 more. So we're going to do 2 more. Now, Facebook nowadays is a lot of creative testing. So this is mainly what is going to be the key determinant in whether or not your ads are performing well. So same thing, guys. We're going to go here. We're going to find all these viral videos. Any video that you have already posted that has been viral. Remember, only your own videos that have previously gone viral, or if you want to use a video that you think will still do well. I'm going to go here, do this real quick. Remove that watermark, close that over there. Okay, now video ad number 2. Number 2, you can keep the same ad copy. If you're testing ad creatives, you generally want to keep the same ad copy, okay? Because when you're keeping the same ad copy, what you're doing is testing the video, not the text. So from here, I'm gonna go in and trash this real quick, add the media, add the video. Okay, upload that. Now while that's loading, we're gonna go in and find another viral video, 179, go here, download, without the watermark, close, go here, whoops, go here, take that there. Then we're gonna go to number 3, remove, add video, drag and drop. And then now we have video number 3. Gotta name it. Video ad number 3. All right, video ad number 3 is there. So you got 1, 2, 3 video ads. This is what you will be creative testing. And then you have the interest right here. We are not done yet, guys, because what we do need to do is we need to duplicate this one 2 more times. And then we're gonna go in and test other interests, right? So we did first movie interests, movie TV show interest, but now what we're gonna do is do a different demographic, right? We're gonna scroll down here and then we're gonna go and try to find some other potential interests. Let's try this, Naruto. Let's go with like anime, Naruto. Very passionate group of people, right? Naruto franchise. And then we're gonna do with interests that are similar to this. Dragon Ball Z is a good one. Manga, Dragon Ball. Don't usually like to go over 5. And then let's say Hunter x Hunter. And we go to the top. This is what we're gonna name this. Anime interest. Boom, that one's done. Next, we're gonna go here. And then we're gonna go back to the interest, see what else is coming up. So let's try maybe celebrities that are maybe played as samurais. We can try that. Celebrity samurai, let's try that. So you can go like that, or now instead of going that route, we can go and use interests that are going to be similar to the utility of the product. So rain, let's try rain, umbrella, accessories, whoa, okay, weather, climate weather, All right, there we go. So now we have a weather set of interests. So we're hitting all angles, and that is it for the campaign, guys. We have 3 interests. Right here, we have 3 ad creatives, 1 campaign budgeted at $100. And then once we go ahead and publish just like this, it is gonna take it could take anywhere from 20 minutes to a whole day for it to go and publish and go active. Once it gets approved, it will go active and then it will start to spend. You need to monitor it, make sure that if it is not profitable, then you are turning it off. Okay, guys? And then you can check out the key metrics right here. If we scroll over to the very right, we can see the different metrics. You can add metrics right here, customize your columns. Generally, I like to have CPM, I like to have CPC, I like to have CTR, click-through rate, cost per click, and then return on ad spend. Add those and then apply them. And then from there, monitor. I do have a video where I explain what all this jargon means, so you guys can go ahead and watch that one. But yeah, that was it. We finished that pretty quickly. And last but not least, we're going to cover retargeting. And this is very crucial part of running Facebook ads that allows you to show an ad to someone that already has interest in your product. This tactic is so effective because what we're doing is really reminding this person of your product or your brand. And the crazy thing is that with Facebook and that pixel, as long as it's installed properly, you're able to target these people at any point up to a whole year, usually 365 days for some events, and then most events are 180 days, but still 180 days is pretty crazy. So let's make up this hypothetical scenario. If a customer finds you organically on TikTok, they go and visit your website and decide to check out but not purchase, what you can realistically do is create an audience block that targets everyone that has added to cart but not purchased in the past, say 14 days, 30 days, and then go ahead and create a Facebook campaign that showcases that product, maybe through carousel, or you do a video plus a 30% off discount. And this is going to increase the likelihood that that person goes ahead and purchases. And most of the time it takes 2 to 3 times before someone's seeing your product or brand before they go out and eventually purchase from you. So let's go back into the computer and create a basic retargeting ad. All right, so the next thing that we are going to do is create a retargeting ad targeting back to people that have already had an interest in our product or have already seen our ad. This one specifically, we're gonna go in and target people that have simply visited our website in the past 14 days, okay? So from here, we are on the ads manager. This was the campaign that we just made. For now, I'm gonna turn it off because I don't want it to approve and start spending $100 on something that I'm not even selling, okay? So if you guys do not want it to spend, then just turn it off. All right, so next thing that we have to do is hit this little bar, and then we're gonna go on to audiences, okay? All right, now that we are at audiences, we are gonna go in and create a custom audience. This is what I was talking about earlier. We're gonna go for websites. Next, we're gonna have our pixel selected, and then here, this is website visitors. You can select other stuff right here, like add to cart. Because I have no add to cart, it's not going to populate. Purchases, same thing. I haven't had anyone on there, but website visitors, yes. We're gonna do a 14-day interval first. And then we're just gonna name this website visitors 14-day. And then I do need to exclude, I forgot to do that. So for the exclusion, we need to go here, exclude people. This is if you guys have already had purchases. And then you're gonna go here and just select purchases. I can't do it because I don't have any purchases on this pixel, but you would select purchases right here. And then you could set the retention right there to 14 days, same as same. From there, create the audience. Perfect. One thing I do want to make sure that you guys don't get confused with, don't leave that as website visitors right here. You're going to want to change this to purchases, right? Because if you are going in and trying to putting people into a block that have already visited your website in the past 14 days, you don't want to exclude that same exact block. Exclude the purchases. The only reason why I can't do that is because I have no purchases on this pixel. So please don't do that. All right, so now that we did that one, we're gonna create another one, another custom audience. Same for website visitors, but we're gonna do 1 day now. So website visitor, 1 day, and then we're gonna exclude this one. You're gonna go ahead and exclude the purchases, select purchase there. And once you can do it, and then, same thing, 1 day. And then we're gonna create this audience. So now we have 2 audiences right here, the website visitor for 14 day and then the website visitor 1 day. Now what you can even go ahead and do just for fun is add the other ones. And the reason why I can't do that is because I have no data on this pixel, right? So you can go ahead and do the add to cart, right? Add to cart, select the add to cart, and then create the add to cart, select the retention, 30 days, and then you could go ahead and exclude. I can't do that, so I can't select it. And then the same thing you could do for initiate checkout. So you have those 3 blocks. The 1 day for now, we're just going to have to deal with it. Then we're gonna have to go back, press this button, go back to the ads manager, select that ads manager. And now we're gonna start to build our second campaign. We're gonna create another campaign. Now this one, same thing, is gonna be for sales. Continue, I like to do manual. Okay, and then we're gonna just name this retarget. And this could be website visitor. I'm gonna put in 1/14 day. And then this could be the updated ad. Just do new ad. Generally want to do a new ad. Campaign budget optimization. Now, if you guys have $100 a day budget entirely on all your campaigns, then generally you'd want to be at $15 budget. I'd say anywhere from 15 to 20% of your overall budget should be attributed to retargeting at all times. So if you're $1,000 a day, then do $150 a day of retargeting. So here for now, for the example purposes, I'm going to do $15. Next, you can name this website visitor 1/14 day. Website, we're going to select the website, same thing, select the purchase. And it will be green if it is activated, guys. So make sure that that is all set up and good. Next thing, this is what we were going to be utilizing. So we're going to go ahead and search for our 2. So website here, website visitor, 1 day. Bam. We're going to do each ad set is going to have its own custom audience. So the 1 day is going to be here, and then we're going to do another for the 14 day. So here's going to be the 1 day. Now, because we selected this custom audience, everything here gets overridden. So you don't have to worry about any of that, any of the targeting, because these are going to be the group of people that have visited your website in the past 1 day, but have not purchased. That's all it's going to target to. Okay, so this generally works if you guys have a lot of data and you've got a decent amount of people that have visited your website during that time period. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and select Advantage Plus. You can always do this with the add to cart. You can do this with the initiate checkout. It's generally going to work better with those for the 30-day plus retention, because if you do 1 day, then you're probably not getting that many add to carts. Okay, so then we're going to go ahead and select the other account. Then we're going to name this RTG new ad. Now you always want to have a new ad if you're showing another ad to people that have already seen your brand or existing ads. You can hit them with the same ad, but it works better if you show them a new ad, another video or another carousel. In this case, we're going to use another video. So I'm going to go on to quote unquote my account. It is not my account, but if it was my account, and try and find another video that maybe is a bit more interactive. In this case, it is maybe replying to a comment. All right, let's try and find one that did pretty decent, that is replying to a comment. Okay, we use something like this. I would not use that in public, so it's pretty funny. Comedy. Generally for retargeting, I like to do carousels. So you can copy this, use this here, or you can go ahead, go straight to your own website and start taking some pictures. Boom, take this picture. Boom, take this picture, or any other cool pictures that you have. So we can go here and we can set this up as a carousel, add cards, add image cards. What I'm gonna do here is drag and drop these images over to the left really quick. All right, got those. And then we're gonna go and add image cards. All right, so once those 2 have properly uploaded, I'm gonna select those 2 and continue. Then I gotta go back to my website, copy my landing page, my product page, go back just so there's no error here. And then here we go on Instagram. Bam, bam, bam. Okay, and you can play around with the images. You don't have to use these images. I'm just using this as an example. I want to add it as shop now. You can change up the text. You can do something like, one thing I do suggest is going in and actually understanding the lingo of your niche, right? So if I'm selling this product that's samurai, I'm going to understand the type of lingo, what I should be using, which words I should be using, how I should be structuring my text so that when you go ahead and create your ads, your primary text, that it sounds pretty decent. I don't know what to write because I'm not selling this product. But for now, we're just going to work with what we have and come up with something random. We could even use the other one as the basis. So I'm going to just go and steal some of this real quick, what I used. So I'll take this and I can put it here. I can do something like this. Use code Samurai 30 for 30% off limited time. Okay, let's do something like that. Let me try and find a samurai type of emoji, Japanese. Okay, that one's cool. Do something like that. Maybe instead place it up here. And then what we can do here. Yeah, something like that, but play around with it. Right here, we could even do, all right, same thing for this one. Okay, so the headline we can do now in stock. Time, if you're doing the free shipping. Make sure that this is congruent with this one. So I like to just copy paste. All right, so this is the ad itself. Now, like I said, you can add a carousel, you can do another image, you can add 30% off sale right here, you can do 40% off, however much you can do, or you can do another video ad. You can either do carousel, you can add another video. So we can just do this for an example. Add another video, duplicate this, and we'll steal this one right here. Go into this app, and you could do a single image, you could do another video. So we can do another video, and then we'll do a single image, or sorry, we'll do another video and a carousel. Here's the copy, and then we'll change this one to single image video, and then we'll import this video right here. And so as you can see, the new text is going to go in right here, and then we can just kind of copy. We had it earlier from here. Now in stock, steal that, place it there, and then change this to shop now. And then don't forget, guys, with the ads we're done, but don't forget, now we're going to go ahead and add the 14-day. And if you were to use add to cart or initiate checkout, I would suggest going 30 days plus if you guys don't have that much data being tracked. But like I said, this is just the example. So we're going to go here, back up, and then select the other one. Do not forget to remove this one because we are split testing here. And this is the campaign. All we got to do now is publish. Remember, 15% of your overall budget. My overall budget right now, as of now, is $100. So I'm running at $15. If it increases, then you increase likewise. All right, so that's it. The campaign has been published, and as soon as it gets approved, it's going to start spending. If you guys aren't ready to start spending, then you can turn it off here. But yeah, that is how you go ahead and create a retargeting ad. Basic retargeting ad, you can do the same thing with the other audiences. You just have to go over to audiences and then select the add to cart, initiate checkout, and then you can go ahead and exclude if you want to. You can do the same thing with Instagram. You can do Instagram engagement, Facebook engagement, video views. You can do 95% video views. And then once you start learning a bit more, you can start getting into intermediate stuff like lookalikes, which is basically trying to find people that are most similar to the ones that have already been put within that audience. But yeah, there we go. Okay, so quick recap of what we did. We went over strategies to going viral using organic marketing. Then we went and covered how to utilize paid ads and cold target groups of people that have never seen your product, along with retargeting back to people that have already seen your website or been on your website using custom audience creation. Yeah, so that was a lot to deal with, but don't worry, you can always rewatch the video and go ahead and take notes on specific parts of the video. Don't forget, you can do that. But that's everything I wanted to go over in this week's video. I hope you guys were able to follow along. If you learned something from this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tutorials just like this every single week. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.